Hi guys, my name is Yash. I'm a ACBA certified business analyst, and today we'll be continuing with our 104th question of our BA interview series. So let's begin. So, what if the interviewer asks, explain your CraftCart project? Can you explain your CraftCart project? So, I'll answer. CraftCart is an end-to-end business analysis simulation project for an e-commerce marketplace focused on handmade and handicraft products. The idea behind the project was to simulate a real world BA lifecycle project. In this project, I worked as a business analyst and performed activities such as requirements gathering. I identified business pain points such as payment failures, inventory mismatch, manual seller onboarding, logistic delays, stakeholder analysis, etc. I identify stakeholders including customers, sellers, admin teams, payment gateway teams, logistic partners. I created BRD, FRD, user stories, acceptance criteria, RTM. I also designed ASIS, BPMN, 2B BPMN, and process flows. I analyzed gaps between existing and proposed systems. I mapped business problems with functional and technical solutions. I also created UAT scenarios to validate business workflows. This project helped me practically understand how business analysts manage end-to-end project activities. So as you can see, first I did requirement gathering. So I identified the business pain points such as payment failures, inventory mismatch, manual seller onboarding, and logistic delays. Okay. So I also identified stakeholders including customers, sellers, admin teams, payment gateway teams, and logistic partners. Then I created documentation like BRD, FRD, user stories, acceptance criteria, RTM, that is requirements traceability matrix. Then in process modeling, I did ASIS BPMN, 2B BPMN, and process flows. And then I analyzed the gaps between the existing and proposed system, that is the ASIS and the 2B process. Solution mapping, I mapped business problems with functional and technical solutions. UAT, I also created UAT scenarios to validate business workflows. This project helped me practically understand how business analysts manage end-to-end project activities. So I hope you learned something from this. Thank you so much for watching. This was just my project, the project which I did. That's the answer. So recording that. Thank you.